So I just restarted it as was I was finishing up updating the apps and everything that I loaded on it. The great thing about it, of course, it can work just as your phone, as you want your phone, a tablet, or whatever PC, as you'd like it to. Um, so as I said before, you see, oh, okay, that's just the Bluetooth that I'm still not sure. I need to find out what that is for. Um, okay, it's just telling me now from the email that okay, I can find lost items, right, on Find Hub. Then if you go back, there are the other apps. Okay, that's just showing you, of course, the zones where you can go, the loop services, and how many gigs you've got, speed test if you want to do that, the equalizer. Then if you need to get extra gigs, you can of course just go in there and you see it will let you know buy and whatever. If you say buy for someone else, of course, and if you buy for yourself, etc., then let's log out and home. Then you've got messages, yeah, and you have your YouTube. I've already set that one up. I've already set that one up. And then my emails. I still have to decide which one I want to use, but all my emails are already there. Excuse me for my voice. No, I don't want any notifications.